Dear students, let us take another topic, that is screening of recombinants. We knew very well after completion of our DNA technology method, when you will introduce our DNAs along with plasmids into the host cell, number of cells proliferation takes place, manipulation takes place. At every 20 minutes it will divide and will get more number of DNA copies. So that all DNA copies, after getting these all kind of DNA molecules, we need to extract that. So with the help of different types of methods, we can able to extract. One of the simplest process is insertional inactivation. What is mean by insertional inactivation? Inactivation of gene upon insertion of other gene. Inactivation of gene upon insertion of other gene. So we can call it as insertional inactivation. So this insertional inactivation, beta galactosidase, which plays an important role in this. And this insertional inactivation, suppose you can take a plasmid. So here I'm taking a plasmid, that is PBr322. This PBr322 has two selectable marker, that is tetracycline selectable marker as well as ampicillin selectable marker. So in this near to the any kind of selectable marker, you can insert foreign DNA. So here I have inserted foreign DNA. Once if you insert foreign DNA, the tetracycline region will get inactivated. So inactivation of a gene upon insertion of other gene, we can call it as insertional inactivation. So this insertional inactivation takes place with the help of laxert genes. And if you take another one is selection is possible with the help of antibiotic resistant genes or selectable markers. After insertion, what will happen? Manipulation and multiplication takes place. So once you will insert a foreign DNA, after insertion of a foreign DNA, this entire region will get inactivated. This phenomena is called as insertional inactivation. So we knew that our plasmid does not possess tetracycline region and it will not go in any kind of tetracycline mediums. So the individuals which grown in ampicillin medium, you can take ampicillin medium and tetracycline medium. So the individuals which are growing in ampicillin medium, those are recombinants and transformants, and those cannot able to alive on tetracycline medium. Those cannot able to alive on tetracycline medium. That indicates inactivation process. So here we are taking two different types of medium, ampicillin as well as tetracycline medium. So when you transfer these all kind of cells onto the tetracycline medium, the cells which does not possess tetracycline, it will be inactive. So that means our RDNA also will get degenerate or destruct. In case if you transfer onto the ampicillin medium, what will happen? Directly the ampicillin containing genes can resistant towards ampicillin and it can be grow. So ampicillin indicates that recombinants and transformants. Tetracycline indicates non-transformants, non-recombinants. Even if it is recombinants, it may not be transformants. Another kind of new technique, that is replica plating technique. Here replica plate technique, you can take culture medium. Suppose if we were taken one of the culture plate, this culture plate contain tetracycline containing, and you can take culture plate contain tetracycline containing medium. Okay, now we were taken our number of bacteria, that is bacterial culture. This bacterial culture contain number of ampicillin activated. Whenever you will suppress this tetracycline containing medium to the ampicillin containing bacteria, this bacteria cannot be survived here because tetracycline is absent. I'm repeating again, tetracycline containing media. This is completely tetracycline containing medium liquid, and you took the ampicillin containing our rDNA, that is ampicillin containing DNAs. These ampicillin containing DNAs cannot be grown in tetracycline region because here the tetracycline will be absent. In case if you suppress this together, what will happen? The individuals which will be alive, those are recombinants, because which can able to survive in a particular medium. Okay, you can take or else you can take in the form of plates. Suppose here I'm taking plate. So after insertional inactivation, tetracycline region will be inactive. So the cells which cannot be grown on tetracycline, that is non-recombinants. Okay, and the cells which are growing on ampicillin medium, those are recombinants. Ampicillin medium, those are recombinants, because only ampicillin is present. Here also, you need not take a lot of sentences here directly. In case if it is ampicillin, it alives on ampicillin medium. In case if it is a tetracycline inactive, it cannot be alive on tetracycline containing medium. This is about the replica plating techniques. This replica plating technique you can see in Tamil Nadu textbooks. Thank you.